गाइज आज हम एमपीएससी ड्रग इंस्पेक्टर 2026 में जो एग्ज़ाम हुई है आज ही, तो उसके आंसर्स देखने वाले हैं फॉर द बी सीरीज. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज नॉर्मल lymphocyte काउंट इन अडल्ट ब्लड इज. The correct answer is option 3, 1.5 to 3.5 into 10 raised to 9 per liter. Second question, deficiency of dash dash prevents normal blood coagulation. Answer is vitamin K. Third question, which one of the following statement adhere to the standard set by the Indian Pharmacopoeia 2010 for drawing the whole human blood? इसका correct answer है option B and D. Means this, the blood drawn aseptically through a closed system into a suitable sterile container, and with every container of blood at least one separate sample mixed with appropriate quantity of anticoagulant is collected for compatibility and other tests. Next question, which of the following is natural anticoagulant? Correct answer is third number, heparin. Fifth question, select the most appropriate statements relevant for HBsAg. Correct answer is option A and C. The antigen was termed Australian antigen. It appears in the blood after around 6 weeks of infection. Next question, question number 6, suppression of cell mediated immunity in HIV infection is due to. Third option is correct, deficiency of CD4 and deficiency of T cell. The next question, question number 7, which hypersensitivity reaction based on its immune mechanism is also known as एटॉपिक हाइपरसेंसिटिविटी? इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन 1, टाइप 1 हाइपरसेंसिटिविटी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8, फ्लुओसाइटोसिन एक्ट्स बाय. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है डिस्टर्बिंग द सिंथेसिस ऑफ बोथ आरएनए एंड डीएनए. इस आरएनए एंड डीएनए को डैमेज करके ये एक्ट करता है. देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, जिंक बाइंडिंग ग्रुप मॉइटी इन एसीई इनहिबिटर इज. द ऑप्शन 3 इज करेक्ट, सल्फ हाइड्राइल. देन नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Isopiclone is short-acting hypnotic drug used to induce sleep. Acts at which of the following receptor? Option 3 is correct. Benzodiazepine site on GABA A receptor containing alpha-1 subunit. Then question number 11. Verapamil is dash dash antiarrhythmic drug act by blocking voltage sensitivity calcium channel. इसका correct answer है class 4, option 4. Then next question, selectivity of calcium channel blockers for cardiovascular action depends on the following aspect. इसका correct answer है option number 2. Aspect number A and E are false and all other aspects are true. Means this A and E is the false, बाकी सारे true है. Question number 13, which type of toxicity is associated with iron tapping effect of aspirin? इसका correct answer है gastric toxicity. Question number 14, which one of this is not insulin secretogenous? इसका correct answer है glyburide. Then question number 15, which of these drugs do not inhibit tubulin and reduce helminthi's infection? Correct answer 2, metronidazole. Then question number 16, imitinib is exhibiting its action by inhibition of BCR-ABL kinase. Then question number 17, which of the following feature in rifampicin is necessary for enzyme binding? इसका correct answer है macrocyclic ring. ये ring होना जरूरी है तभी rifampicin can able to act. Then question number 18, aliskiren acts by inhibiting enzymes activity of renin. ये इसका correct answer है, renin inhibitor है aliskiren. Then which of the following drug is a cardioselective beta blocker? इसका correct answer है esmolol. Then question number 20, in which of the following drug discovery step pharmacokinetic and safety properties ADMET are assessed? इसका correct answer है option 2, lead optimization. Then question number 21, antidote of methanol poisoning is. इसका correct answer है ethanol. Question number 22, the chlorinated hydrocarbon used as insecticide acts by pyrotoxins binding site dash dash receptor in the insects. इसका correct answer है GABA A. Then question number 23, toxins bound tightly to protein on which are highly lipid soluble are removed by. इसका correct answer है hemoperfusion, option number 3. Question number 24, what is mechanism of thalidomide tetragenicity? इसका correct answer है angiogenesis. Question number 25, penicillamine is not preferred antidote for dash dash poisoning. इसका correct answer है iron. Question number 26, Ebola virus causing human hemorrhagic fever belong to the family. इसका correct answer है option number 1, Filoviridae. Then question number 27, the holding time in autoclave for sterilization of articles kept at 134 degrees Celsius and 30 psi pressure is dash dash. इसका correct answer है 3 minutes. The next question, question number 28, all organisms are removed or killed on or in items is called. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है स्टेरिलाइजेशन, ऑप्शन नंबर 3. मैच द फॉलोइंग फार्मास्यूटिकल प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोड्यूस बाय माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 4, राइबोफ्लेविन, इरिमोथेकम, अमाइनो एसिड्स, कोरिनीबैक्टीरियम, साइट्रिक एसिड, एस्पार्जिलस, साइनाकोबालामिन, प्रोपियोनी बैक्टीरियम. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 30, hybridoma cell technology is most widely employed for the large scale production which of the following? इसका correct answer है monoclonal antibodies. Then question number 31, the dioctyl phthalate test is primarily employed as a validation method for assessing the efficiency of which of the following system? इसका correct answer है option number 1, HEPA filters. Next question, question number 32, McConney medium is a selective and differential media for Escherichia coli. option number 1. Next question number 33. An intact HEPA filter should be capable of removing at least dash dash particulates of 0.3 micrometer and larger in diameter. इसका option है 99.97. Then next question number 34. Which microorganisms is routinely employed for microbiological assay of vitamin B12? Correct answer, Lactobacillus leishmani. Question number 35. Which condition is considered the most severe and life-threatening form of pneumococcal infection? Correct answer is meningitis. Question number 36. Which option is true for reverse transcriptase? Correct answer is all of the above. Means it is found in retrovirus, it is synthesized DNA and RNA, and it requires primer for synthesis. Question number 37. Name the pathway for glucosynthesis by non-carbohydrate precursor. Correct answer, gluconeogenesis. Question number 38. Hugestine-Bess pairing allows formation of which DNA structure? Correct answer, triplex DNA. Question number 39. Galactolipids localize in the internal membrane of chloroplast make up dash dash of the total membrane lipid of a vascular plant. Correct answer is 70 to 80%. Then question number 40. The considered HIV epitopes used in chimeric vaccines are typically dash. Correct answer, poorly immunogenic without a carrier. Question number 40. Why are aryl diazonium salt prepared at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius? Correct answer, to prevent decomposition of diazonium salts. Question number 40. Auxiliary underarm odor is primarily produced due to. Correct answer, action of bacteria on nutrients present in apocrine secretion. Question number 43. Identify correct statement from the following. Correct answer, A, B, C all are correct statement. Question number 44. Identify true/false statement from the following. Correct answer is only A is correct. Question number 45. The number of optical isomer possible for 2-bromo-3-chlorobutane are. Correct answer is option number 3, 4. Question number 46. Which suppository formulation has the rapid release rate as it relates to the drug and base characteristics? Correct answer is water soluble drug, oil base. Question number 47. Which temperature range is generally specified for refrigerated pharmaceutical raw material? Correct answer, 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. 48. Question number 48. Onset time for systemic route of administration of suppositories, ointment and creams through rectal route is. Correct answer is 15 to 30 minutes. Question number 49. Chiconin, the enantiomer of alanine obtained from dash root and its used for herbal lipstick production. Correct answer is option number 2, Lithospermum erythrohizon. Question number 50. To overcome problem of hygroscopicity of herbal extracts, the following excipient is widely used. Answer is silica gel. Question number 51. Concentrated sugar solution are quite resistant to microbial growth because. Correct answer is unavailability of the water required for the growth of microorganism. Question number 52. The rate controlling membrane used in pilot 20 Ocuster is. Correct answer is ethylene vinyl acetate. Question number 53. An excipient used to promote flow of tablet granules or powder material by reducing friction between particles is. Correct answer is Glidant. Question number 54. The investigational new drug application is a part of. Correct answer is 21 CFR part 312. Question number 55. Droplet size of monophasic microemulsion is. Correct answer is 10 to 100 nanometer. Question number 56. Pre-formulation studies of newly synthesized drug focus on which of the following parameter? Answer is physicochemical properties of new drugs. Question number 57. The segregation of tablet into 2 or more distinct layers is termed as. Correct answer is lamination. Question number 58. Chemical name of twin AT is. Correct answer is polyoxyethylene sorbitol monooleate. Question number 59. For oral solid dosage form, the pilot batch size should be generally dash dash of production scale. Correct answer is 25. Question number 60. BET nitrogen absorption method is used to measure. Correct answer is surface area of powders. Question number 61. The chromophore is defined as dash. Correct answer is a group for characteristics absorption of electromagnetic radiation. Question number 62. The primary function of the carrier gas in GLC is to dash. Correct answer is only B. Maintain a high pressure and deliver the sample through a column at a reproducible rate. Question number 63. Near IR region is dash. Correct answer is 0.8 micrometer to 2.5 micrometer. Question number 64. In AAS, liquid sample that are too dilute should be dash. Correct answer is evaporated or concentrated by solvent extraction. Question number 65. The Bragg's law for XRD, the angle between the diffracted beam and transmitted beam is always dash. Answer is 2 theta. Question number 66. The cause and effect diagram widely applied in TQM was introduced by which quality expert? Correct answer is Karao Ishikawa. Question number 67. Chemical shift is measured in dash. Correct answer is parts per million ppm. Question number 68. The calibration wavelength scale of UV visible spectrophotometer is checked by determining the specified wavelength maxima of a dash solution of holonium perchlorate. Correct answer is 1% weight by volume. Question number 69. X-ray diffraction technique is based on. Correct answer is Bragg's law. Question number 70. In UV spectroscopy, which of the following electronic transition require the highest energy? Correct answer is sigma to sigma star transition. Question number 71. When the telephonic order for controlled drugs are accepted, doctors must sign their initials within dash. Correct answer is 24 hours. Question number 70. The envelope system in hospital pharmacy is primarily used for. Correct answer is charging non-floor stocks medication. Question number 73. All of the following states are major pioneers of pool procurement of essential medicines in India except. Correct answer is Delhi. Question number 74. The validity of retail drugstore license is. Correct answer is 5 years. Question number 75. Science of collecting, monitoring, researching, assessing, evaluating information from healthcare providers and patients on the adverse effect of medications known as. Correct answer is pharmacovigilance. Question number 76. According to Medical Device Rule 2017, which of the following will be classified under Class D? Correct answer is A, B, C. Pacemaker of the heart, implantable stents, and breast implant. Then next question number 77. The DTAB, that is Drug Technical Advisory Board, constituted by the central government, includes which of the following as ex officio member? Correct answer is A, B, C. Sorry, A, C, D. Option number 1. A, C, and D. Next question number 78. Drugs may imported into India by rail through Mohisasan railway station, which connects India with. Correct answer is option number 3, Bangladesh. Question number 79. As per the standards of cosmetics in Cosmetic Rule 2020, which of the following statements are correct? Correct answer is option number 4, A, B, C, and D. All are correct. Question number 80. Which of the following are included in Schedule K of the Drug and Cosmetic Rules? Correct answer is A, B, C. Nicotine gum, oral rehydration salt, and analgesic balm. Question number 81. According to Cosmetic Rule 2020 under section 18.3, which substance is prohibited in imported cosmetics? Correct answer, hexachlorophene. Question number 82. The latest overhaul in Schedule M has some provisions like dash. Correct answer is only C, periodic review of products meant for export. Question number 83. The function of Indian Pharmacopoeia Commission included. Correct answer is only A, C, and D. Question number 84. Which ISO standard specific of biocompatible and animal performance study for investigational medical device? Correct answer is ISO 10993. Question number 85. If the cosmetic product is labeled with false manufacturer name and address, it will be classified as dash as per D&C Act 1940. Correct answer is misbranded. Question number 86. Key features of the integrated Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Ayog Yojana Mahatma Jyotirao Phule Jan Arogya Yojana include. Correct answer is only A and D. A and D. Question number 87. Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana dash. Correct answer is A and B. Is universal health insurance and it include emergency and critical care surgeries. Question number 88. Which of the following fixed dose combination announced is irrational by Government of India and therefore banned? Answer is only A, B, and D. Only A, B, and D. Question number 89. According to the definition given by Food Safety and Standards Act section 22, nutraceuticals include. Correct answer is option number 1, A, B, C, and D. Question number 90. Type D adverse drug reaction are characterized by which of the following? Correct answer is delayed dose independent effects such as carcinogenicity and tetragenicity. Question number 91. Hydroxychlorothiouronic acid is present in dash. Answer is ginkgo biloba. Then question number 92. Match the terms with description. इसका करेक्ट आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर 2. ए का 4 है, बी का सेकेंड है, सी का 1 एंड डी का थर्ड है. Next question. As per the DPCO formula, the selling price of scheduled formulation is calculated using this formula. Here's the margin to the retailer is equal to. Correct answer is 16%. Question number 94. As per the WHO, which of the following has emerged and considered as the top rank multiple drug resistant fungi? Correct answer is Candida tropicalis. Question number 95. For original literacy, dramatic, musical, and artistic works, the term of copyright in India is for. Correct answer is author life plus 60 years. Question number 96. If machine is coded as this, then how will you code danger? The correct answer is option number 3. Question number 97. Shubham hit the magic ball that can change direction on its own. It traveled 5 km towards east, turn left and travel 20 km, then it turn right, travel 11 km, and then 5 km southward, then it further travel 4 km towards east. How far is the ball from Shubham and in which direction it is? Correct answer is none of these. Option number question number 98. B and E are good in dramatics and computer science. A and B are good in computer science and physics. A, B, and C are good in physics and history. C and A are good in physics and mathematics. D and E are good in history and dramatics. Then who is good in physics, history, mathematics but not in computer science? Correct answer is option number C. Question number 9, option number 3 C. Question number 99, the number will be in the blank space 7 dash 21 31 43 is the correct answer is 14. Question number 100, the last question. Deepak has brother Anil. Deepak is the son of Prem. Bimal is the Prem's father in terms of relationship. What is Anil of Bimal? Correct answer is grandson. तो ये रही आज के. If this video is helpful to you all guys, then please like this video. Thank you.